In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Assist, a versatile tool designed to give you the ultimate remote support experience. Let's begin by navigating to the Zoho Assist homepage. This is your gateway to a suite of features designed to streamline remote support processes. Once you're there, locate and click on Remote Support. This feature allows you to support clients in real time, addressing their needs instantly, which is essential for maintaining efficiency and customer satisfaction. Next, we'll move to the Service Queue option. By clicking on Service Queue, you can manage pending service requests effortlessly by prioritizing and assigning tasks to team members, ensuring no customer is left waiting. It's a powerful way to stay organized and responsive. Now, let's click on Billing. This section enables you to manage invoices and track payment statuses. Keeping an eye on billing is crucial for maintaining financial health and ensuring all services provided are accounted for. Then head over to Unattended Access. This feature is a game changer as it allows technicians to access systems remotely even when the client is not physically present. It's particularly useful for after-hour maintenance or troubleshooting on devices without disrupting the user. Next, click on Tools. Zoho Assist provides you with essential tools needed for remote troubleshooting. These tools can enhance your efficiency and effectiveness by offering various utilities that are vital during remote sessions. Let's proceed to Deployment. By clicking here, you have the capability to deploy agents preemptively across devices so that remote support sessions can be initiated without delay. It's especially useful in larger organizations where response time is critical. Following that, select Meeting. This feature allows you to host or join virtual meetings with ease, enabling face-to-face interactions and collaborative working sessions. It's a seamless way to connect with colleagues or clients globally. Now, click on Calendar. Here you can schedule upcoming remote sessions, meetings, or events. Having everything neatly scheduled ensures you never miss an appointment and can manage your time more effectively. Moving along, click on Rooms. This feature is designed for managing virtual meeting spaces. You can customize and allocate meeting rooms according to project needs or team preferences, enhancing collaborative efforts. Finally, click on Reports. This feature provides you with extensive insights into various aspects of your team's performance, from session durations to customer feedback. Utilizing these reports helps in making informed decisions that drive improvement and growth. So, that's a comprehensive overview of how to use Zoho Assist to maximize your remote support capabilities. Remember, each feature is designed to offer you flexibility and efficiency, ensuring that you provide the best service possible to your clients. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.